Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. My name is Farah Naveed. Today I have come with a topic about impression compound. Have you heard about impression material? Yes, of course. This material is one of them. You have seen this material is using for edentulous patient while taking their impression. So let's start. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you.
So, dear dental students, impression compound is a thermoplastic material having properties which, in many ways, are similar to those of dental waxes. It is type 1 impression material, whereas type 2 material are used for constructing impression trays. It is low fusing type 1 impression material supplied in either sheet or stick form. The sheet material is normally softened using a water bath. Due to its physical property, it is rigid material.
So, dear students, now come on the topic covering technique. As we learned in our previous slide, material is supplied in stick or sheet form.
The stick material is used for border extension on impression tray or for recording impression of single crown using coppering technique. Coppering technique involves the recording of single crown preparation in stick compound employing a hollow open-ended copper tube as a type of tray.
So, moving to the next slide, impression compound temperature. Impression compound temperature in the range 55 to 60 degrees Celsius is normally found to be ideal. Sheet material is normally softened during a water bath. Both the temperature and the time of conditioning in water bath affect the performance of the material. If the temperature is too low, the material does not soften properly, and if too high, it becomes sticky and unmanageable.
Now let's talk about the composition of impression compound. There are three components: thermoplastic material, filler, lubricant. Thermoplastic material is 45%, filler is 50%, and lubricant is 3%. Thermoplastic materials such as natural or synthetic resins and waxes that rise to softening temperature. Fillers gives body by increasing the velocity of the softened material, reduce the thermal contraction. Lubricant is 3%, improve flow properties. So dear students, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, follow for more content. Until next time, take care and happy viewing. Bye bye.